Hey everybody, Pete here from Pete's Best Tested. Wanted you to join me on a walk today because I have a product that I think you'll really like. So if you're out traveling like I am at times and you're in the sun a lot like I am when I'm going hiking or touring a new city or something along those lines, you have to have good sunglasses. And I had a pair of sunglasses that lasted me about 15 years that I'm going to tell you about because the brand that I got is the exact same brand. This is going to be a quick video. Um, and before I got those, about 15 years ago, I have a friend at my church who's an optometrist. So, and I said to him, sorry about the background noise. I said to him, I'm going to walk the other way so you don't hear the noise. But I said to him, hey, what are the best sunglasses for my eyes? You know, the health of my eyes and all that stuff. And he'd been practicing in optometry for like 30 years himself by that point. So he said, like immediately, Maui Jims, 2 words, M-A-U-I, second word J-I-M, apostrophe S, I think. But anyway, I'll put a link in here. And I said, well, what's so great about those? I'd never heard of it. He said, well, they're all polarized for one thing. Their whole line is polarized glasses. And he said, that's necessary for your eyes and for their safety because glare can, you know, make a lot of problems for your eyes. And then he said the second reason is because the lenses are such high quality. So I said, okay. Well, that first pair of Maui Jims that I bought like 15 years ago lasted that long. They're extremely durable, very well made. And I dropped them from a pretty good height and it broke one of the arms or whatever, stalks or whatever you call the things that the glasses lenses are on. And they broke. So I ordered from Amazon a new pair of Maui Jims, and these are my new Maui Jims, and I really like these because I love the blue mirroring on them, which you can see here. And the blue mirroring actually adds like a rose tint. I'm not sure how that works, but maybe somebody can explain in the comment section below how it is that if these are mirrored blue, it gives a rose tint. And I mean, these are a little pricey, but I want them to last another 15 or so years. But you'll see on these, you'll see that they are with the big stalks. You can see where it says Maui Jim there. That's the brand name. And on the top here, make sure that it has the brand name there too. Super well made. These are very well crafted. You can see the stalks are thick and made out of a really high durable plastic. And you can see they all have these nice holes in them at the end of the stalks where you can put in a neckband or something like that. So Maui Jim glasses, I'll leave a link down below where you can get some of these for yourself. You won't regret it because when I put these brand new ones on, the lenses are so clear. I didn't realize after 15 years, you know, I probably dropped those quite a few times. Do what you can to not drop your glasses. But I mean, over time, you know, of course, the lenses after cleaning and dropping or whatever else, and maybe not keeping them as carefully as I ought to, they became a little bit scuffed. But these are like crystal clear, beautiful, clear view. It also comes, and I'll take a picture of and have a little picture of both the wonderful collapsible, sturdy box they come with, and the little Hawaii style cleaning cloth they come with that are perfect for these glasses. So there you have it, Maui Jim sunglasses. These are terrific. I hope you like them as much as I do. So this is the carrying case and the cleaning cloth. And if you go to Amazon.com and type in Maui Jim into the search box, you will come up with the Maui Jim store that you can search for just a ton of different types of sunglasses they have for men and women. And as always, thanks so much for joining me today. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe because that helps us build our channel. Any questions, thoughts, or comments, drop those as well. I love to hear from the folks out there who watch our channel. Thanks again.